Hey guys, Jay here. This is smarthelping.com. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about my new tracking system for clients that pay billable hours. In the past, what I've done is just track time in Excel and just communicated to customers how many hours they had left, what they've paid. But now I'm going to give every customer their own Google Sheet link, which will have their customer name, and I've worked out all the permissions and everything, so it's all secure. I can track all the time for all customers in one central location that's private to me, but I can pull data from that with some interesting functions in Google Sheets to show individual clients based on their name how many hours they've paid, how many hours they've used, their hourly balance, and their rate, and then the detail of all the work I've done for them. I think this is very cool, very transparent. So basically, when you go to smarthelping.com and you go to hire me, when you start selecting time here and pay, I will automatically attach it to an email you have, your master email. And then based on that, all of your data will start to populate as I start adding time, and you can buy more hours. I've got a link to that right here where you can buy hours. You can also check out more templates and download the full template library. Some links here or just updates. Um, so it's pretty cool. I just think this is great for transparency. So customers can now see where, when am I spending time? They could come back anytime and look at their link and see how many hours they have left. And I think this is just great. I was thinking about doing like some kind of app for the site so it's all automated, like you make an account on the site, but with this using Blogger, there's not really any possibilities. I'd have to completely transfer, so I don't want to do that. So I was like, well, I wonder if I could do something in Google Sheets. Turns out, of course I can. I've done similar work for clients in the past. So this is great. So um, new clients, as you pay for time, you'll see you'll get a tracking. I'll email you the Google Sheet link. From what I've tested, you don't need a Gmail account to view this. This is just a view only. You can just look at it, see what the time is, and you will only have a link to your specific sheet only. And you see this is referencing some other things, but this is all locked access that only I can view for the master, so there's no way for anybody to access that. Um, and there's not even a way to make a copy. I can because I'm the editor owner, but all this is locked, so you can't make a copy or anything else like that. So people can't, make copies and enter other emails in here to see time if they want or whatever. None of that's possible. So all the customer can do, they'll be able to view their time that I log, and I think this is great for transparency. And also, it'll make communication more efficient because now, just pin your link somewhere that you know you can always access. The link will be up here in this bar. That'll be your specific link. You always go to it. You can track it. It'll always be up to date as I'm billing time out. All right, well, that's all I got for you on this one. I'm going to post this video to the hire page and probably to the request page as well. And I'll write about it probably in the FAQ about how time is tracked. Um, but yeah, I've moved to the cloud now off of Excel for tracking client time. I think this is awesome. I don't have to do any extra work. It's the same data entry for me, but now, there's going to be client specific reporting, which is super cool. Oh, don't forget, guys, if you want to support me, so I build obviously hundreds of financial model templates for a living and sell them. I also do custom work, which is what the billables are for, or consulting, walking you through the different startup financial models and spreadsheets. If you want all the sheets I've done, which is pushing up to around 200 now, you could download the full template library here for $9.99, and that includes all the templates on the site, access to all future templates, and one purchase equals one user license. Alrighty, that's all I got for you on this. Really, really excited to get this out. To some of my bigger clients, I'm going to send you links right now because it has live data. So I'll send you your links and you'll get that. And I think it'll just make communication easier and transparency just better. Alrighty, guys, take it easy.